Hello everyone! Welcome to today's STEM class. Look, this small bamboo copter, with a gentle pull, can challenge gravity and fly into the sky. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? Imagine that more than 2,000 years ago, our ancestors could give it the power to ascend into the sky by rubbing a stick with both hands. Behind this seemingly simple action is actually an invisible physical feast. Do you know what physics knowledge was applied? The rotating tilted blades, like the wings of an airplane, cleverly cut through the air, while utilizing Newton's principles of force and reaction, as well as Bernoulli's law of pressure difference, to converge into the lift that lifts it soaring. It is not only the joy in the hands of children, but also the initial practice and dream prototype of humans imitating birds and conquering the sky. Look, the huge rotor at the top of the helicopter is essentially a powerful bamboo dragonfly that obtains lift through high-speed rotation of the engine. The quadcopter unmanned aerial vehicle that we are familiar with is like four intelligent electronically controlled bamboo dragonflies working together, achieving stable hovering and forward and backward flight by precisely adjusting the speed of each rotor. Even the propellers of large merchant ships propel the hull forward in the water, and their working principle is similar to that of bamboo dragonflies, rotating in the air to generate thrust. From toys in our hands to rulers of the sky, from the sky to the ocean, this ancient wisdom still drives us forward to this day. Today, let's dismantle this small spacecraft together and explore the scientific charm that runs through the ages and is ubiquitous behind it. Why does it fly? The secret is in the blade. The bamboo copter's blade isn't flat. It has a special shape called an airfoil. When the blade spins fast, the air flowing over it is split into a race. The air running over the top surface has a longer path, so it has to sprint. The air running under the bottom surface is slower. According to Bernoulli's principle, where the fluid speed is fast, the pressure is low. Where the speed is slow, the pressure is high. This high pressure underneath the blade pushes it up. This upward push is what we call lift. Lift has a partner, and that's Newton's third law. When the bamboo copter's blade rotates, it's actually forcefully smashing the air downwards. As Grandpa Newton said, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So, the air gives the bamboo copter an upward counterattack, which is also lift. Remember, lift is generated by the combined action of velocity difference and reaction force. Flying is just the first step. How does it stay steady and not wobble? That's thanks to the gyroscopic effect. Have you played with a top? The faster it spins, the steadier it is. If you try to push it, it fights back. The bamboo copter is the same. When it spins fast, it generates strong angular momentum, making it resist any force trying to change its direction. It's a stability master. Also, we design its center of gravity to be low on the shaft, like a roly-poly toy, ensuring it always balances itself in the air. Thousands of years ago, people only had bamboo. Now, we have 3D printing. We can use lighter, stronger materials to make the bamboo copter fly perfectly. This is engineering thinking. Science doesn't just explain the world. It also optimizes the world. The traditional bamboo copter relies on its hands to directly rub the upright stick to provide power, which has the advantages of extremely simple structure, durability, and low manufacturing cost. However, the drawbacks of this approach are also very obvious. The power completely depends on the user's skills, and explosive power and the rubbing force and stability vary from person to person. And now the bamboo copter, which adopts a pull bar and gear structure, has undergone a clever power upgrade. The tension bar efficiently and smoothly converts our short, horizontal pulling force into continuous, high-speed rotation of the rotor through a gear set. The biggest advantage of this design is that it achieves energy storage and release. It is like a wound spring, ensuring stable and strong initial power for the rotor every time, thus making the flight altitude higher and the trajectory more stable. Alright, we've uncovered all the secrets of the bamboo copter. Now, let's use this magical 3D printer to make bamboo copter. All the parts have been printed. Let's start assembling. Are you ready? Pick up your bamboo copter and compare who can fly higher. The fun of science lies in hands-on practice and continuous optimization. 3D printers create a better life.